Tired of expensive moves? Let's unlock hidden treasures within your USAA membership to make your next move practically cost-free. First, head to the USAA website or app and search for their Moving Resources page. Here is a starting point to begin the journey of saving you money. You'll discover a wealth of tools starting with their partnership programs. USAA often partners with moving companies. Take advantage of these partnerships. You may find discounts on packing supplies, full-service movers, or even storage solutions through their network. Remember to compare quotes from several vendors and choose the best fit for your budget. Next, tap into USAA's Homebuying Resources. Did you know you can search for homes with them? Explore their mortgage options directly within the USAA portal. Securing a mortgage through USAA may provide competitive rates and, sometimes, closing cost assistance, which can significantly reduce your initial move-in expenses. Don't forget to explore USAA's insurance offerings. Bundling your auto and homeowner's insurance can often lead to significant discounts. This can alleviate some of the financial strain associated with changing addresses. These steps can significantly cut down your moving costs. By leveraging USAA's resources, partnering with their affiliated vendors, and accessing their financial products, you can potentially trim your moving costs significantly, helping you move with more financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.